Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit the lithophane photo into hexagon shape, plus adding all of the edges that could fit into this frame. This is for my lithophane light panel project. In order to make the lithophane photo into a shape like this, you will need my hexa photo blender file. Let's open it. In the file, you're gonna see two mesh. The first one is the hexagon 168, which you use to cut the flat photo, rectangle photo, usually into the hexagon shape. And then the other one is to add the 0.8 millimeter thickness edges around the photo. Let's import your photo. Okay, yeah. And to make the STL that ready for 3D printer, there's some setting in Blender in the unit, and I already have one video about it. You can check on that to make sure that the STL file that you import and export in and out of Blender gonna be easy to process with 3D printer. Here you have the photo. The first step, I want to cut it into the hexagon shape. Choose your photo, add and modify. Add the modifier. Here I choose Boolean. Okay, choose the fast instead of exact because it's gonna save you a lot of time. And in the mode, I'm gonna choose it intersect because I want to cut the rectangle into the hexagon shape. And then with the object, choose the hexagon 168. Give it some time. Now you have it. The second step is that we want to add these edges around the hexagon so that it can fit into this frame. So what we can do is we can export the photo and the frame 0.8 at the same time, at the same STL file. So how to do that? You can choose the photo, then also choose the frame, okay, into the file, export, STL. And here, remember to check the selection only checkbox, and then you can export the STL. You can check that STL file with whatever slicer you have. I use a Prusa slicer, and I'm gonna add the photo right now. For my project, I use 0.2 millimeter layers, and if you 100%, it turn out red. And here you have the file slide. Let's go all over the layer to make sure that everything is correct. Yeah. Okay. And you see the size of it is the biggest size 174, which is the size that's to fit my project. So using this method, you already have the file ready for the lithophane light panel. For each light panel, you will need half meter of the LED strip, the LED strip frame, the lithophane photo, and the photo frame. If you don't want to print the lithophane photo, you can use my photo.stl file. It's a flat photo, so it works as a diffuser. When you have all of the components, you can put them all together. To secure the LED strip on the frame, you can use hot glue here at the endings of the LED strip. Then you can arrange your modules on the wall according to your pattern. To attach them to the wall, I use the command pointer strip, which is very easy to remove when I need to change my pattern later. And the double clip is used to fix the connecting cable between modules. The final step is adding the controller and the power supply to your panels. It depends on what kind of LED strip that you use. I use the 2A12B and the Bluetooth controller so that I can use my cell phone and remote control. So there's many choices out there, so pick whatever you feel like and enjoy. If you have any question, let me know in the comment and we will try to help. Happy making!